Are you spending an hour or multiple hours organizing, cleaning, decluttering things? Don't do it. Stop. It's a waste. Stick with this rule. 5 minutes, just 5 minutes, a short little burst on something. That is going to be far more productive and will keep you from overthinking things, outsmarting yourself into then having to redo it all over again later. So in this video, I'm going to talk about three main things, three big tips that I think really helps me stay focused on what I want to accomplish so that I can get in and get out. And I find that when I'm doing little bursts of 5 minute organizing, I can do so many more of those and not get down on myself or feel like I'm overwhelmed or be stressed. I can just keep moving. So let's get started here. First off, pick one spot, pick a drawer, a shelf, a countertop, not all the countertops, not all the drawers, just one, and say, I'm going to tackle this. And by the way, it does not have to be finished. We are not looking for polished, complete organizing. We are looking for making a difference, seeing progress, getting something further along than where you were. So then you're motivated to come back and do it again, to do the next 5 minutes a little later. So that's the first one. Pick something small, manageable, burst through it. And when you're done, say, it's okay if it's not done. I'm going to get back to what I was doing before, and I'll come back to this later. That's a big first one. The second one, you have to kind of be a jerk. You have to be ruthless. You have to not talk yourself into keeping things. If you pick something up, don't think about all the times you've used it or haven't used it or what it's for, or maybe somebody this. You can justify keeping this 100 times, and that's what probably got you into this trouble in the first place. Be ruthless. So if you just pick it up and go, should I get rid of this? Ask yourself this one question. If I didn't have this, would I put it on a list to go out and buy? Would I need to go get this again? If the answer is no, I wouldn't go buy this, then why do you have it now? Answer that one question, boom, get rid of it. And you can decide on whether you're going to throw it away, donate it, sell it, whatever. But for now, move fast. You know what? I would never buy this. I don't need it. I'm getting rid of it. Boom. It goes off to the side. Then in another 5 minute session, you can go back and determine, are you tossing it? Are you selling it? Are you giving it away? And by the way, at the top of the list are those things that are damaged, expired, ripped, stained, that kind of thing. Don't even think about it. The whole key here is not to overthink. Don't talk yourself into keeping these things. So that was number 2. Number 3, don't get distracted. Distraction kills when organizing. And there's a few ways that you can get distracted. In my opinion, a big way to get distracted is you pick up this thing and you say, oh, I'm going to keep this, but it's in the wrong spot. I'm going to go put it away. And you walk 3 rooms away to put this in a drawer, and then you see something else. And then you decide, maybe I don't want it in that drawer and I actually want it in this room. And you're wasting your 5 minutes walking around the house. Right now, when you're in front of your drawer or shelf or countertop or desktop, just focus on that area. Put a box off to the side to ditch the things if you want, to say, hey, I'm going to put that away in that other room later. Also, don't get distracted by, if you pick this thing up and go, oh, I remember where I got this. Wait a minute, where did I get this? Maybe I'll call my brother and ask him where I got this. That's a distraction. Oh, if I put this, where's my notepad? Oh, maybe I should go find my notepad now. That's a distraction. When you're just distracted and taken off task, you will get nothing done in that 5 minutes, and you will end up spending an hour to do what could be 5 minutes worth of work. So don't get distracted. In summary here, to go back over this, If you can get to a point where you can think fast and react fast and take a small manageable space and almost remove yourself from it and think that I'm going to pretend like I'm somebody else today to go over this, to organize my space so that I don't get caught up in my own distractions and stress. I'm going to be ruthless. I'm going to be that jerk that just goes after it and says, yes, I'm keeping this, and I'm going to straighten this. I'm going to put this underneath here. I'm going to put this underneath there, and I'm going to move this along. If you like this idea, if you have different thoughts on it, I love comments. I respond to all of them. Please leave me a comment. I'd love a thumbs up. If you're interested in this, subscribe to my channel. I've got other videos as well. At the end, I'll have a card for some organizing that I've done as well. I didn't go through and show me actually organizing something, a shelf, a drawer, whatever, because I think we've all seen what that looks like. And I think hearing these tips and putting them into action is what's best. So go to it.